Hello, welcome to a tutorial on widgets. In this tutorial I'm about to show you how to add widgets on your website and how to remove widgets on your website and some of the stuff that you could take advantage on widgets. Alright, let's go to our website, the one we created. I'm just going to click on the logo. Okay, maybe you might be asking yourself a question: what are widgets? What really are widgets? Alright, good question. Alright, as you can see, this we call recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta. These are what we call widgets. These are what we call widgets. They're more like sidebars, they're more like a footer, they're more like they categorize your information in a way you prefer. Alright, I'll just go to the widgets. Then this is the main sidebar. There's a search, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta. Alright, as I've shown you, recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta. Alright, so this is the main sidebar, which means this part is the main sidebar. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see this is showcase sidebar, then footer area 1, footer area 2, footer area 3. If you're not familiar with what is a footer, this part below, down really written part of the WordPress, is the part of what they call a footer. Don't worry if you just ask yourself, so how can you put? Don't worry, relax, we're gonna get to that. Alright, so I'm just gonna add in something. There's already recent post, so I'm just gonna add in a calendar to our sidebar. So I'm just gonna scroll this, put it right here, then I'm just gonna name it calendar. These are the available widgets, so you can choose any type of widgets that you want and place it on the sidebar, put it in the footer, whichever way you want. So I'm just going to test this. Okay, this is saved, so I'm just gonna refresh this to see if our calendar works. Okay, as you can see, we've added our calendar, so our widget works. Today is the 19th, Thursday the 19th. Okay, so our calendar works. So, and I'm just going to test something. I'm just going to choose footer area 1. Then I think I'm going to put recent posts. I'm just going to add in the recent post in our footer 1. I'm just going to say recent posts. Display post date. I'm just going to say yes. Number 4, say 5. Say save this. We'd like to see what is footer area 1. Ways. Just going to see. We want to see our recent posts on footer area 1. So I'm just going to go on the website. Then I'm just going to refresh this. Then I'm just going to check. All right. This is area 1 of the footer. So we've added recent post on our widget on footer area 1. So I'm just gonna minimize this. Then okay, what can I add on area 2? What can I add? Just need something. What can I add? Let's just add a calendar. Area 2. Then I'm just gonna say calendar. Just doing this so that we could test on how we could just test our widgets. Okay, then just gonna go on the website, then we're just gonna refresh this, and we're just gonna scroll down. Done. So widgets, they can take advantage and use widgets on your website as more like a shortcut to certain pages or certain posts or the calendar or some. There's a lot of available widgets you could take advantage of: categories, custom menu, and on the meta pages, recent comments. So you can add in some of these widgets on your website as more like a shortcut to certain um, certain information that you want the user to access. Um, that's all I have on widgets. So um, that's all I have on widgets. So guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks guys.